Hello guys, this is Krishna. Thank you for joining me on this quick short video that I have here for you. I'm just going to show you how you can remote access your server on Cloudways from your terminal. So if you don't yet have an account for Cloudways, you're going to see in the description there is a link. This is a referral link. It does have a free trial, but as well if you want to get an extra 10% off for the next 3 months, this is where you're going to find the coupon over here. Okay, so what we're gonna cover is really fairly simple, but as well, if you've never done it, it might be a mystery, right? So I just spun up a new server just right now. I'm just gonna go into it. So over here, I'm gonna have the master credentials, right? So I have the username, the password, and the IP of this server. So if I want to access it from the terminal, I'm just gonna open my terminal over here, and it's very easy. The thing that I want to do is click SSH, and it's type SSH, I'm sorry, and I'm gonna copy the username, all right, and I'm gonna add an @ sign over here, and I'm gonna copy over here the IP address. So over here is letting me know that there is if I really want to connect to the server for authenticity, I'm just gonna say yes. And the next thing that is gonna ask me over here is letting me know what is the password for this username at this IP address, and I have it here. I just need to come up here, and I'm gonna paste it here, and now I am connected. See if you see over here, I can now uh, type um, some of the other commands that I have, right? And so I can go to application, see what is in application and all that. So this is how you connect to your server from the terminal to remotely connect to it. It was a quick video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below. But this is how you connect to your server on Cloudways. Thank you, and I will talk to you in another video.